Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 89, Surface Areas and Volumes, Section A, Easy. Let's start. An inverted cone of vertical height 12 cm and the radius of the base 9 cm contains water to the depth of 4 cm. Find the area of the interior surface of the cone not in contact with water. Problem is difficult, first understand it. See here, inverted cone means the base is on the top, this one, like this. And what is the straight cone? Then the apex is up, okay, or vertex is up. So here, it's like this. Water is poured in this cone up to height of 4 centimeters. The base is 12 centimeters. Height is 12 centimeters and radius is 9. Okay. Now we have to find the surface area, this surface area which is not in contact with water. Okay. Now if you draw the triangles over here, BOA and BCD, then they will be similar, right? Similar triangles. Why? AA test, angle, this 90. Both are 90 and this common angle B is 90. So AA test of similarity. Therefore what happens? OA upon CD equals to OB upon BC, right? This ratio of similar corresponding sides of similar triangles. Therefore CD equals to BC upon OB into OA, right? That is 4 upon 12 into 9, that is 3 centimeters. Now CD you got it 3. So now you got this radius CD and this radius OA and this height you can get it 8. Okay, but you can't use that formula, this formula, because this is for volume. Volume of first term is pi upon 3 h into r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2. That is volume. Here, focus on the target. We want the surface area. And what is the formula for surface area? It's pi r L. L is a slant height. Means you want this slant height, right? So that's why we are doing all this, whatever we are doing. We want the surface. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.